Dear children, hope you all are doing well at home. Children, make good use of the time you are getting now by learning through the online sessions sent by your teachers. Our today's topic is face value and place value of a digit in a number. Before going to understand about the topic face value, let's recap whatever we have learned till now. This is the place value chart. About the place value chart, you all have learned till now. It has 3 periods and 7 places. And we know how to read a 5 and 6 digit number and how to write their number names also. Let's learn about face value. Dear children, face value of any digit is the value of the digit itself, and it remains the same in all the places which a digit occupies in a number. It does not depend on the place of the digit in the number. Let's consider one example and you will understand more clearly with this. In this number, we have to take out the face value of each and every digit. The number has 5 digits. So the face value of 9 is the digit itself. Means the face value of 9 is 9. The face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 6 is 6. The face value of 0 is 0. The face value of 3 is 3. Can you see children? Here the face value of any digit is the digit itself. So we can say that the face value of any digit in any number is the value of the digit itself, regardless of the position of the digit in the number. Let's learn about place value now. The place value of a digit in a number depends upon its face value and the place it occupies in the place value chart. To find out the place value of any digit, we use this formula. Face value multiplied by the value of the place it occupies in the place value chart. Consider the number 6,10,359. Now we have to find the place value of each and every digit in this number. Children, whenever we solve the questions of place value, we should always have a place value chart. Next, we should always arrange the number in the place value chart from right. So, if we start arranging the number 6,10,359 in the place value chart from right, then which digit will come first? 9. 9 in one's place. Here we have to take out the place value of 9. The place value of 9 is the face value of 9 multiplied by 1. So place value of 9 will be 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to 9, and in words it can be written as 9 ones. The next digit is 5. The place value of 5 is 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50. That is 5 tenths in words. Next digit is 3. The place value of 3 is 3 multiplied by 100 is equal to 300. The place value of 0 is 0 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 0. The place value of 1 is 1 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 10,000. The place value of 6 is 6 multiplied by 1 lakh is equal to 6 lakh. Here children, point to remember is the place value of 0 is always 0 whatever place it occupies in place value chart. Let's understand the difference between place value and face value with the help of the question given here. Find the place value and face value of 6 in each and every number given below in the chart. The first question is 19,356. In this number, face value of 6 is 6. Value of the place is 1. Place value of 6 is product of face value and value of the place. So place value of 6 is 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. Let's take another example. 2,65,140. The face value of 6 here is the digit itself. So face value of 6 is 6. Value of the place is 10,000 as 6 is staying in 10,000 place. So place value of 6 is 6 multiplied by 10,000 and that is 60,000. Let's take another example. 6,21,008. Face value of 6 in this number is again the digit itself. So face value of 6 is 6. Value of the place here in this number of digit 6 is 1 lakh. So place value of 6 is 6 multiplied by 1 lakh is equal to 6 lakh. From the above chart, we can observe that face value of 6 remains the same. It does not depend upon the place of digit 6 in the number. But place value of 6 is changing as the place of digit 6 is changing. So, we can say that place value of any digit changes as the place of the digit changes in the number. Whereas face value of any digit remains the same irrespective of its place in the number. Now we know how to take out the place value and face value of any digit. Let's learn how to find the sum of place values by one example. Find the sum of the place values of 4 in the number 64,547. First write the place value chart. After that, we have to arrange the number in this place value chart from right. So when we start arranging the number from right, 7 will come first, then 4, then 5, then 4 and then 6. Place value of 4 in tens place is 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 40. Place value of 4 in thousand place is 4 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 4000. Sum of the place values means addition of place values of 4. Children, always write the place value chart while adding or subtracting. Then start arranging the number in the place value chart from right. First number is 4000, then second is 40, and then we need to add. When we add 0 plus 0 in ones place, we will get 0. When we add 0 plus 4 in tens place, we get 4. In hundreds place, 0 will be written as it is, and in thousand place, 4 will be written as it is. So, we get our answer as 4040. Let's understand how to find out the difference of place values. The question is, find the difference of the place values of 8 in 4,85,382. First, we will write the place value chart. After that, we will arrange the number in this place value chart from right. So 2 will come first, then 8, then 3, then 5, then 8, and then 4. The place value of 8 in tens place is 8 multiplied by 10 is equal to 80. The place value of 8 in 10,000 place is 8 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 80,000. Difference of the place values means subtraction of place values of 8. While subtracting, we should write the place value chart first and then we should arrange the numbers. One more thing we should remember while subtracting, that the bigger number should be written first. Here the bigger number is 80,000. Then the smaller number is 80. Now we need to subtract. 0 minus 0 in ones place is 0. 0 minus 8 we can't subtract because a bigger number cannot be subtracted from a smaller number. In that case, we will do borrowing. Children, you all know how to do borrowing sums. We will borrow 1 from 8 in 10,000 place. When we borrow 1 from 8 in 10,000 place, it becomes 7. 0 in 1,000 place will become 10. Again, this 10 in 1,000 place gives 1 to 100. So it will become 10 and 10 in 1,000 place will become 9. Now again, this 10 in hundreds place will give 1 to 0 in tens place. So 10 in hundreds place will become 9 and 0 in tens place becomes 10. Now 10 is bigger than 8, so we can subtract. 10 minus 8 comes 2. Here 9 will be copied as it is, 9 will be copied as it is, 7 will be copied as it is. So our answer will come as 79,920. It's time To recall the main points of today's session. Face value of any digit in a number is the value of digit itself. Face value does not depend on its position in place value chart. It remains the same for all the places. Place value of any digit in a number changes as it changes its place in the number. Place value and face value of 0 is always 0. Sum of place values means addition of place values of the digit asked. Difference of place values means subtraction of place values of the digit asked. Children, this is all for today's session. Thank you, children, and have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe. Bye-bye.